This video is about life work. Our individual journeys are different for each and every one of us, depending on our thinking patterns. All is dependent on the agreements we made with one another throughout it all, and connected to our capacity to perceive degrees of self-realization and transformations that we have gone through to become who we are. All is therefore also related to the traumatic experiences that we have had, the ways in which we have found healing for ourselves and given healing to others.
Consider saving the forest, saving the ocean, saving the medicine that is hidden in all of these different places. Consider rejecting the concept of powerlessness before these great shifts. We are rooting for an open-eyed impact entrepreneurship to help mitigate it. We want to see when a desert heals, bring life from desolation, we know what is needed.
Beauty and medicine are inextricably linked. We are going towards ending certain imbalances that brought us here. We call upon the beauty in the world for the making and delivering of the greater medicine. Once you embark on this quest of doing the work, you will be empowered to co-create with us the change of everything that is not in service. Having you experience some of the most potent projects throughout the globe for all types of healing arts is a tremendous joy for us to facilitate.
We adore your decision of choosing purpose. We are hard at work, but still running behind schedule, so we shall accelerate the pace together. Everyone has it for as long as they live, the gift of perceiving. With your help, we shall resuscitate our medicine, humanity, and economy, and provide a genuine display of magnificence to the source.
There may be a singular moment of total redemption through total recall, to form a collective body, a living being to mature onwards, repairing the world. We come together over a common love of the source from which we all draw inspiration, together continuing in the correct direction, forging ourselves anew repeatedly over extended periods of time in the appropriate manner to preserve clarity, sanity, and accuracy of our perception, altering the formula once again while keeping in mind. We want to come back here over and over again.
Already created is a print of a restored world. The world that understood it had nothing left as an alternative except overcome. This is our job, what we signed up for, and would do so over and over again, every time. Thank you. Please get in touch if you would like to begin your training or connect for any type of collaboration.